Hi there, this is Kaylin Niels with another installment of CTAC Lighting and Controls Lowdown on Lockdown. Brr, did you just feel a chill? This week we're covering the Ilp Blizzard series of Vaportite high bays. The Blizzard series consists of a 2-foot and a 4-foot Vaportite high bay plus a retrofit kit for the 4-foot. So again, we have a 2-foot and a 4-foot option plus the retrofit. You can do clear or frosted acrylic lens or polycarb in clear or frosted. You have V-hooks for chain and cable mounting standard, stainless steel latches, 0 to 10 volt dimming, wet location listed all the way to IP67. And out of the 4-foot, you're getting up to 30,000 lumens. The 2-foot is getting up to 16,000. And did we mention this is made in America? God bless the USA. And here's a quick snapshot on the 2-foot and 4-foot LED system info with lumen outputs, temperature ratings, that kind of thing. You can also see a little Blizzard treat there. If you tell me how many you see throughout this presentation hidden in different slides, I will definitely give you something, probably not anything of value, but kudos. Here we've got some of the mounting options as well as just additional accessories and options you can add to your fixtures. V-hooks are standard. However, if you need hubs or knockouts, things like that, you can add that. I also have options for aux sensors, bi-level dimming sensors. I can do batteries anywhere from 5 watt all the way up to a 12 watt factory installed battery backup, as well as 480 volt, 347, that kind of thing. Take a look here, as well as all of the ratings down below. IP67 again, made in the USA, DLC, all of that fun stuff. This is a beautiful application shot down in the south in Mississippi. You can see, again, this is a Vaportite high bay, which is one of the very few out in the market. So you can use this for freezers, cold storage, sawmills, paper plants like this one, warehouses, food prep, all that jazz. Because of those ratings, you can get Nema 4X, all the way up to IP67, remember? So you can use these in a variety of industrial applications. As far as dimensions go, you can see the 4-foot's about 52 inches in length. The 2-foot's about 27 inches. Below we have a nice photo of the retrofit, which is a 4-footer and replaces some of those fluorescents in the market. So out with the old, in with the new. Let's slap some LEDs on some of these projects. Again, we've got a new website at ctaclighting.com. You can see a picture of our beautiful people there. We've got an events page that will show you different options for distance learning, that kind of thing, as well as webinars, as well as a YouTube channel that has this video plus a bunch of the other ones that our sales team has produced. So go check it out. Let me know what you think. We're really excited about it. And again, this is Kaylin Niels with CTAC Lighting and Controls. I really appreciate you sticking into the Blizzard series here from ILP. If you have any questions, please reach out to myself or your local CTAC salesperson. We will get you taken care of. Thanks.